So we're working on a 96 Yamaha Royal Star, and we lost third and fourth gear. And my theory is this shifting drum, that one of these pins right here broke. As you can see, they're a pin and they're held on with this little bent clip here. I don't know much about motorcycles, but I am a career mechanic, so I figured my son and I can fix this. So we took off the clutch cover because that's where this thing sticks out, and right down in here you can see that shift drum, and the pin is missing, which is right here. We found it inside there. That little pin, my drum just rolled away. That little pin is one of those. So we're going to go ahead and take it all the way apart by removing the clutch, instead of trying to just shove a pin in there real quick and lock it down, because we're going to do it right.